Hi, Indian football fans. I'm Victor Gomez. I'm marketing responsible for the Real Madrid Graduate School, Universidad Europea. We are the first postgraduate school based all in sports. So whenever you would like to study regarding the sports industry and jump into the sports industry, we're here to help you out and let you know how to get your dream job in the sports industry. We are more than glad to cooperate with Viva Football magazine and also Football Pilgrimage. So whenever you may need something from us, we're here for you. So hope to see you soon in Madrid.
Hi, I'm Eugenia Caroli, and I'm super happy to be here at the Wanda Metropolitano in Madrid because this is a great place for all football lovers around the world, not just the Spanish football fans, not just the Europeans, but here in Spain and in general at Barcelona, in Madrid, in the UK, all football fans are welcome, and I think that Indian fans will love to be here as well because this is, the top of football worldwide, and I think it's a great way to start building a synergy with Indian fans and welcome them here and also bring European football and world football to India as well. So hope to see you here soon.
Hello, India football fans. Welcome to the Unigoals World. Basically, what we do, we have the official license of national teams and we have a prototype. Actually, this product is a patent product with the face of the player. In this case, we are talking about Messi. You can use as a collectible item, but also you can remove the base, slide the back, and if you want Messi playing there in your team and a football team, you just have to attach it here. In this case, Messi just joined the Spain national team. So you have different players from different national teams like Portugal, Spain, Brazil, Argentina, England. So thank you for being here. And okay, please follow Viva Football magazine. Thank you.
It's your first time to WFS, so what is the experience like?
It is wonderful. Firstly, I'm sure this WFS is a much bigger event, but right now at least it feels normal to meet people, see people and discuss so many things about the thing that we love, is sports, football. I think it's a wonderful opportunity brought to Indian students and people by Ashish and his team at Viva Football and Football Pilgrim. I think it's a wonderful opportunity firstly, and I think Symposium School of Sports Science has been associated with WFS and Ashish together for last 3 to 4 years. This is the first time I'm coming here, but my students have from past have already been here and they've enjoyed amazing place like Madrid. And Barcelona, understand what football is all about, how the mecca of football you can consider. It is one side we talk about European football a lot or Premier League, but I think the Spanish, the way it is developed at the pyramid level, it's phenomenal, and get to learn at the grassroots level how every club is working toward Division 3, Division 2 and all those things. I think the scouting, development, commercialization, technology, so many things are together at one place that we get to see. I've been walking around for the last 2 days. I got an opportunity to be a panelist at a small offline event on technology side. It's wonderful, and it's great to see Indian football getting discussed at WFS as well. We had Nikhil from Rise and we had Vivek from IoT. They were here talking about Indian football. So it is good to see Indian football at getting discussed at this level. And for students, I think it's an opportunity to meet people, have the biggest possible exposure that they can get. I'm not saying that this is the best possible exposure, but what you can make best use out of it. I think if I wish I was 20 years younger and a college student myself, getting to know so many things that you can do about it, I think it's wonderful. And I think that world is opening up, the pandemic should become endemic, and world is opening up, so next year we are going to have a better WFS and get opportunities for people to understand and learn from multiple aspects. So I think this is wonderful. Thanks to Ashish and Viva Football and Football Pilgrim to arrange it along, and Symbiosis for making it happen as well, because it shows the futuristic view from Symbiosis as well, that they want people to have more and more exposure. I think it's wonderful, and thank you, and I'm going to enjoy the remaining time here, and I think I'm going to come back again.
Yeah, hi, hello all. My name is Jaydev Vehi, and I'm currently pursuing my MBA from Symbiosis School of Sports Sciences in Pune. This is my final year, and I'm currently at one of the biggest stadiums in the world, which is Wanda Metropolitano, the home of Atletico de Madrid. And I'm here at the World Football Summit 2021 in Europe. And this is my first time over here attending in this summit. And according to me and my opinion, this is one of the best place to get exposed for the candidates who are working, who want to be, who are the aspirants in, and they want to do MBA in sports management and to have a career in sports industry, whether it's in India or whether it's in foreign. But this is the place where the whole football industry meets. It's like the mixture of the technical aspects, the marketing aspects, the philanthropical aspects, the social aspects, each and every different kind of aspects of football meet over here together, and they give a broad and dynamic view of football in this summit. And you can establish your contacts with the people that you admire or that you have something in common with. So you can meet them over here and you can communicate with them, you can share your ideas, you can share your visions, what you want to do in future and what the future of football and the particular industry in which you want to work holds like. So you can get all this information. And for me, my personal advice to anyone who would like to be in the sports industry in coming years, I would like to say them that you should come to this summit and try to build up your contacts, show openness to others, and build your contacts as much as you can. So that is the main key reason you should be over here. And yes, that's why I'm also over here, and I'm thrilled to be at this summit, and I'm just overjoyed with all the experiences that I've had over here.
So the exposure over here with the different startups idea, different creative people you're meeting out here, and also you get to communicate with these kind of people. It's very interesting.
Yeah, and the expo area over here was your area of interest.
Yeah.
So we
Rather than seeing somebody talk, I rather experience each and everything they had to offer over here.
Yes.
Especially the neuroscience thing where you have to move the car with your brains. That was pretty interesting. And also I guess the VR technology was quite insane.
Yeah, so now with the curriculum that you're studying right now, how will it benefit you in the learning process as well as when you apply for jobs professionally?
The thing is that right now, when you discuss about the future aspect of this, Symbiosis has been a very good institute for the basic understanding of how to get a placement or how to apply for jobs. But when you talk about some events like WFS, it has given an exposure of how to communicate with different kinds of people. Being on an international stage where different people meet you, they greet you, and also the app actually helps you a lot in connections, in network building, in getting a grasp on how to interact with them. It was very beautiful. And I think so this is gonna help me a lot in the future.
Yeah, so any message for Viva Football Magazine and Football Pilgrimage?
You guys are doing a fantastic job, and hope we have another trip with you as soon as possible.
Hola, I'm Anaya and I'm at the Wanda Metropolitano Stadium in Madrid right now. The World Football Summit, rightly said, where the football industry meets. So it's a great platform for all the sports professionals, budding sports professionals and the sports management students who aspire to pursue their career in this industry. So it's a great platform for all the guys to connect with these people. Over here, meeting and greeting people personally is one of the great thing, and we are love connecting with people right now. Yes, through social media we connect, we build contacts, create content, but over here it's a great opportunity and a great exposure for everyone to check out how their world, when they as a professional are going to evolve, will be. And the interesting and the most living your dream part about Viva Football Magazine and Football Pilgrimage, most importantly, is that watching matches at the stadium. I myself, I am a hardcore Madrid star and a Femenino member of the Madrid Stars de Pune. So when I watched the match yesterday, Real Madrid versus Mallorca at Santiago Bernabeu Stadium, it was a great experience for me, and not only living my dream but meeting the main Primavera Blanca fans, the fans behind the goalpost, the Real Madrid fans which we see. So they inspire us for being passionate fans, and when you meet them you get that passion, that energy and that support for the club, so which was very inspiring. And last but not the least, that I myself am living plus reliving my dreams, because I came here in 2018 and now it's the third year that we are here in Spain. But I really want all you guys, irrespective of your age, to live your dream, to come here in Europe or the club that you support through Football Pilgrimage Tourism Project from India, and live your dream, because trust me, it's an amazing experience out there when you're singing the anthem and when the players walk out of the dugout. So see you next year, and we are hoping to take you to live your dream.
Hi guys, as you all know, through Viva Football Magazine we do a lot of international activations and international networking, and World Football Summit Madrid, Spain was the pioneer in that back in 2018. So this is our third year, WFS 2021, and it's a great pleasure back to be here in Madrid, Spain. We had traveled to Valencia, now we would be going to Barcelona. So that's the entire package that we offer in this Spanish venture of ours. Basically, WFS is a platform where they rightly say that world of football meets. So it's an interaction between all the football fans, football businessmen, football entrepreneurs at this WFS platform is amazing, and they all really cherish and they all really appreciate the efforts made by the Indian football industry and all the stakeholders in India as far as popularization of football back home in India. And I'm proud to say that Viva Football Magazine and Football Pilgrimage is now a homogeneous part of WFS with our football tours here in Spain. Secondly, the fan-to-fan connect and fan engagement is one of the important aspect of football development. And on that front, we take football fans to visit our pilgrimage places like Madrid, Barcelona, Valencia, and also in England, Chelsea, Arsenal, United, Liverpool, so Manchester City, so Spurs, you name the club, and we take Indian football fans to watch the games over there. Not only that, meet and greet with football fans is another important area that we are exploring through our football tours. So finally, thanks for all the support, the sports management students that we take along to these sports conferences, not only to Europe but also at the Asian Sports Business Award Conference. So it's a great exposure that they enjoy, and the first-hand experience to witness a classical football games here in Europe is amazing. So ciao, and keep supporting Viva Football and Viva Football Show and Football Pilgrimage. Thank you.